While the light in the Stack Homes manufacturing facility is beautiful, I'm gonna do a little tour of our Ridgeline II, which is our 960 square foot model. Starting off, these front windows all slide open, so those are sliding doors, so you can get a really great indoor-outdoor connection here. And if you are a front porch person, if you can imagine actually having a porch out here, which is what you would really have if you weren't in a manufacturing facility, that would be a really great space to just swing those doors open. Here we have this side entry here. And here we are in the Ridgeline II. So you've got these two kind of spaces on either side of this kitchen area. In this one, we have staged it so this side can be a dining room, and the other side is our more typical living space. We've got this tile black backsplash, matte black fixtures throughout, all of this built-in storage here. And then in the island, we have the oven and the stovetop, and then the dishwasher here on this side. Just look at this light. So we have bedroom number 1 and number 2 here. These are symmetrical bedrooms, so they have the same layout, but just mirrored. And so in each of these rooms, we have all of this built-in storage. All of the storage throughout the space is all soft close. Great if you're a night owl and you're trying to tiptoe around someone else who's sleeping in the house and trying to be quiet. Got this big 5x5 window in each one, and these windows do open. And then a sliding barn door, so of course this can slide closed. Right now we've got it open for the tour. Rain shower. Big anti-fog mirror that has also LED in it, LED light around the edge. We've got this bathroom vanity. Hello. We've got this bathroom window that opens, which is something I really love if you want to let, the steam out, or just take a shower with the bathroom window open and maybe hear the birds. All right, we've kind of seen what the bedroom and bathroom look like, but I'll still show you into the second one. So here we are again in this mirrored layout, that big 5x5 window. We've got our sliding barn door, just to kind of show you what it looks like when it is closed. There you have it. We'll open it back up. Take a little peek inside the bathroom without the light on. If you're like me, maybe you like to hang out until there's absolutely no light left in the sky, and then you finally turn the lights on. This is how I would do it. And here we are again. That concludes our tour of the Ridgeline II in this beautiful light as we are getting close to dusk. Not quite, maybe it's golden hour. Thank you for joining me.